Now everything is fine now, guys. Come on. Come on. Yes. Okay. So now fine, guys. Okay. So now fine. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Let's move on and we will see the next level. Okay. Next level. So internally, these things will happen. What? Our IOC container responsibility. Our responsibility is not okay. Our responsibility is not okay. So internally, who will create the object? Our IOC container will create the object. Whenever we will apply at the rate component on the top of what? On the top of what? On the top of what? Our class. Okay. This is the class level annotation, guys. Okay. So if we want to create, what is that? If we want to what? Create, what is that? If we want to create what? If we want to create the object of what? Object of what? If we give no, if we give the instruction to create the object of what? If we give the instruction to IOC container, hey IOC container, create the object of what? Our employee, then we have need to apply on the top of what? We have need to apply on the top of what? At the rate component is at the rate component annotation, guys. Okay, at the rate component annotation. But one more things, guys, one doubt will be there, right? One doubt will be there. What is the doubt is there? Okay, so okay, you are saying that what? Okay, class name first letter will become what? Small. No, I want my choice name. Okay, I want my choice name in what is that? To create what is that object. Okay, so like here employee reference name will become what? A small letter, right? A small letter. No, I want what? My name. I want what? My name. So what will happen now? Next step, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, guys, we will see that. Okay, so now fine. Okay. So no, I want what? My choice name. I don't want what is that IOC container created. What is that name? So for that, just think about that. What is that? Just same things I'm taking. What is that? What is that? Public what? Public class. I'm taking what? Public class. What is that? Employee only, right? Employee only. Now I want to create the object of what? This class. So what will happen now? No, I want to give the instruction to IOC container create the object of what? This class. So we will apply what is that component annotation on the top of what? On the top of what? This class. Okay. So internally what will happen now? Our IOC container will create and what is that reference name will become what? Reference name will become what? First letter is small. So no, I want what? I want what? My choice name. So for that, this annotation is what? Argumented annotations also, guys. Okay. So what is that? What we will do now? EMP. Just I want my choice name of what? This what? This class. So in this case what will happen now? In this case what will happen now? Our IOC container will create the object, right? Our IOC container will create the object. Now fine. So okay, so then in Spring container, how it will create? Our IOC container will create how it create the object. So Spring container, Spring container. Our Spring container will create the object of what? Employee class. And what is that? This employee class name will become what? EMP. EMP, right? Previously, what is that? Fully. If we are not giving the argument, right? What will happen now? This class, what is that? Object name is becoming what? Full in class name and the first letter, what is that? Small letter, right? First letter is what? Small letter. But here, what happening now? What's happening now? Here, what is that object name? Based on that, our choice name, it will be coming, all right? It's becoming what? Based on that what our choice name reference name, guys. Okay, so now fine. So okay, so fine. So but what is that? It's not meaning that. Okay, so to avoiding, right? To avoiding, no, I want what? To read the static data as well as what? Property data, right? I want to define some data member inside what? Inside this class. Okay, so fine. Okay, create, define it. So now just think about that. So just think about that. Okay, so I don't want to give use what is that setter and getter method. Okay, to inject the data, right? To inject the data in the class, right? In the class. Okay, so So we can use what is that? So for that, to injecting the data, right? To injecting the data, to injecting the data. Annotations here, right? Annotations is what here. Yeah. To injecting the data, which annotation we will apply, guys? At the rate value, right? At the rate what? At the rate value annotation we will use it. Okay. At the rate, what is that? Value annotation we will use. Okay. Okay. So just what is that? But we know we seen yesterday. What is that structure of what is that? Our what first application where it is common code. I think I did not wrote. I'm not writing that code. Okay. So okay, just I created the application, right? Application. Okay. So no problem. This is the application I was created yesterday, right? Now, so like how many files inputs is there whenever we are creating the this is the main class. This is the starter main execution class of what our Spring Boot application, right? Same like what is that? Our Spring is creating what one properties file, right? In the property to reading the data from the property as well as providing the static data as well as what providing the static data. Which annotation we are using now, guys? Which annotation we are using now, guys? Without setter and a getter method. At the rate value. At the rate what? At the rate value. We will see that everything as what practical only, guys. Okay, we will see each and everything as a practically. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. So now fine. And one more things, guys, this is the basics and fundamental is never change. Okay. And if you are strong in the fundamental, right, then others module I will use these things only whenever I will develop high level application, except one word also I will not use. Just I will use what is that predefined classes, whatever module to module is given by whom. Spring. Okay. So please focus on this area. Please focus on this area, right? uh, just one thing, guys, no one will what is that they will hide, but what is that? If you learn from others they will hide. Okay, each and everything just they will what is that teach what step to step. And when they will enter in the module, when they will enter in the module, right, in the module they will use these things only, but they will tell, oh, this is the extra thing, nothing. All what is that high level module also based on this small concept only, guys. Okay, so please concentrate on this one and focus on that. If basic is strong, you can write, right, you can able to handle high level programming. Okay, high level programming. Okay, so just in my point of view, uh, don't think about that much. What is that high level thing? Okay, high level things, how much you can by heart. No, in the programming by heart in concept is not there. Sorry for that. Okay, how many time you can do the practical on what basic things like core Java. Okay, core Java. After then, what is that? If you are learning the Spring, in Spring, what is that? Spring core. Focus on one more Spring core. And but you know one more thing, sir, in the life. Okay, learn. Everyone is learning, but learn the proper manner, proper way, right? That is also more important. That is also more important. Okay, so how we are analyzing the things, how we are what is that writing the things, that is also more important. Okay, so the distraction is much in the life. Okay, guys, concentrate just how you can concentrate, that is the more important. Okay, on the subject or anything. Not a, if you are building your career in the software industry, not in this area only, any area. Okay, without concentration, more focus, without goal, you can't achieve anything. So now, okay, fine, guys, so let's move on. Okay, so okay, so now fine. So at the rate component emp is there, right? At the rate component emp is there, right? So now fine. Okay. So here what will happen now? What we will do now? I want what is that to read, right? Okay. I just created the object, right? I created the employee object. Okay. What is that? Public class. What is that? Employee, right? Employee. This is the class is there, right? In this class, what will happen now? Private, I'm taking what is the private, just what is that private string I'm taking, what is the string emp name I'm taking, what is that, and a private, what is that private string what is that emp designation, des, right? Designation, just two things I'm taking, guys. Okay, so just two things. Okay, so I don't want to put the data as what, I don't want put the data inside what this variable using what setter or getter method, right? Setter injection or getter injection or constructor injection. I don't want these things. Okay, I don't want these things. I want what is that, to inject the data as what, using what is that at the rate value annotation, at the rate value annotation. Okay na? So okay, so value annotation, we can give the static data here also, like what is that here, just direct also we can give what is that employee name, just I'm giving what, Ravi, right? We can give the Ravi, or we can you read the data from the property also, you, that is called what, dynamic data also, right? We can read the data using what is that dollar symbol, using what, dollar symbol, using what, dollar symbol. Inside that what, inside that what we will do now, inside that what we will do now, we will pass the key, that key. Okay na? Then it will read it. Okay, then it will read the data from what, 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 a property file, right? So just think about that, just what is that, what is that. Okay, so this is what, in our application, what is that, this property application dot property file is there, right? Okay, so now fine. So in the application dot property file, what we are writing now, just what is that, this is the key is what is that, emp. Okay, just I'm writing what is that, my emp, right? My emp, this is the key, and I'm taking the name of what, Ravi. Okay, another one is what, designation, right? Designation. Okay, designation is what, my dot, what is that, my dot, what is that, just emp equal to what is that, architect, right? Architect. Okay, so okay, this is the designation, and this is the name. Okay, and this what is that, these things is available in where, guys? Application dot, what is that, properties file, right? Application dot property, I want to read this data, right? I want to read this data in our what, our class, right? Our class. So what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, we will do like this. Okay, we will do like this. Okay, in the key, in the place of key, dollar symbol, we will use the dollar symbol, and what is that, my, what is the my dot what, my dot emp, we will read the, this what, we will read what, we will read this key, right? This key. Okay, we will read this key. Okay, fine. Now, okay, so then what, our IOC container will inject at the runtime what, at the runtime what, Ravi, in this variable, right? In this variable our IOC container will inject, what is that, our IOC container will inject what, and here one more, we will use what, at the rate value, at the rate value, right? At the rate value, inside that what, inside that dollar symbol, inside the, what is that, dollar symbol, inside that what we will do now, oh sorry, emp designation, sorry for that, emp desc, right? My dot, what is the desc. Okay, designation, we are reading the designation here, designation. Here what, this is the designation, guys. Okay, this is what, designation, right? So we can read like this. Then inside the IOC container, in the IOC container, it will, how our IOC container will look like. Inside the IOC container, this object is look like. So just think about that, this is the IOC container, right? Inside this IOC container, okay, so means what is that, spring container, spring spring container, one object will create, right? One object will create, and this object name will become what, this name, okay, we will apply on the top of what is the at the rate component, then employee, this object name will become what, employee, and inside that what is that, inside this, how the data will become, how the emp name equal to what? Ravi, and another one is what? Another one is what? Emp desc equal to what? Architect, right? Arc. Okay, so uh, like this data will represent in what? Container. Okay, so now let's write one application. Okay, let's write one application. Okay, and what we will do now, we will see that. Okay, we will see the result, it's coming as expected or not. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, so what we will do now, I'm creating one again front of you application only, right? And we will work on this one only, right? We will work on this area, right? Whatever explanation, our explanation is there, right? From what is that, 1 hour onward, 1 hour onward, whatever our explanation is there, we will see that. Okay, then later others annotation we will see that. Okay, then what is that, later what is that, we will see other annotations also. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now guys, see that how here what we will do now, what we will do now, we will create one starter project, not a Maven project. Okay, so new, here what is that, new, what is that, we will select what is that, spring, what is that, spring starter project. Now select it. Okay, so Spring starter application, right? So first, right, first application just started, just be created. Now this is what, second. This is the second application. Okay, so package name is what, com.rk only. Okay, first application, no, this is the description we will give, what, second application. Second application. Now here what is the Java version 1 only. Okay, so now what we will do now, next, no, we are not still working any API, right? So what we will do now, just next only. Okay, now finish it. Session is boring guys, means you people are enjoying the session, just tell. Whatever explanation I'm giving, you people are understanding or not? Yeah, just okay. Now project is created, right? Spring Boot, what is that, project is created now. Okay guys.
Hello.
Yes, yes Ganesh.
Hello.
Yes Ganesh.
भैया.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes, I'm
Hello.
listening. Yes, Rahul.
भैया, why use dollar sign भैया?
To read the dynamic
Dollar
data.
sign.
Yeah, to read the dynamic data. To read the dynamic data, I will tell. Okay. To reading the property.
Okay भैया.
Okay. And okay. You can take my name only. Okay, Ravikant. You can take. No need to say bhaiya and all those things. Okay. Be professional, man. Okay. So now fine. Okay. So here, what is that? Spring Boot first. Second application just now we created, right? Just now we created. Now what we will do now, okay, this is the project. Okay, whatever to work on, what is that, Spring Core, right? Sorry, boot core module, all dependency by default, we don't have need to copy from what, internet, right? So this burden is reduced or not guys? Come on, whenever we are working what in Spring Core, we have need to put the we have need to create what is that, Maven project. After then what we are doing, sorry guys, network issue. Everything is fine now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi, now fine.
Okay. So, okay. So whenever we are working in what, whenever we are working in what, Spring, right? Spring, we have need to, whenever we have need to work on what, core module, we have need to copy the Spring context from what, Spring context dependency from what, internet. But here, no need, no need. Our boot application means parent project, right? Pivotal people is created yesterday. I explained, right? Pivotal people is created what, one project where the common things, whatever common things is need to what, to work in what, Spring project, right? Spring Boot project. Those things they keep inside that just at the time of creating, right? At the time of creating, what will happen now? All common code is inherited from the parent parent project, right? Just we have need to write what code only, right? Just we have need to write the code only. Okay, so now fine guys, so here what is that, property. And whenever we are working the property file, whenever inside the Spring we have need to create explicitly property, but here property file also already is there, right? So don't worry, we can explicitly also we can write the properties file also. Just that is the next level discussion. Okay, that is the next level discussion. Okay now, so now just what I'm doing now guys, I'm just opening that what, this properties file. Okay, just what I'm doing now, I'm opening what, this property file. Okay, so in this property file, what I'm going to write it now, what I'm going to write it now guys, just I'm going to write it what, this, right? My emp Ravi, and my designation is what, arc, right? Just what is that, my dot, what is that, my dot what, my dot what is that, emp name, right? Just I'm taking what is the emp, what, emp name, right? I'm taking what, emp name as what, Ravi. Another one is what, another one is what I'm taking now, what I'm taking now, my dot what is that, desc, my dot dsc. Just I'm taking what is that, arc. Okay, so what is that, this is the property file. But what will happen now? Okay, so after then what we will do now, we will come, this is the by default starter class. Okay na, this is the main entry point of what, main entry point of what, our spring class. Okay, so what we will do now, here only we will take one bean class. Okay, bean class. Okay, so what I'm going to do now guys, what I'm going to do now, just I'm giving what is that, emp, the project name. Okay na, after then what is that, employee, I'm taking what, employee. Font is perfect guys, or shall I increase it? Font is perfect now, or shall I increase it now guys? It's visible in your system, please let me know that guys. Okay na, fine. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, so okay, so just now I explained, right? Just now I explained what. So if class is there by default, what will happen if we run also, right? If we run also, our class object will not create, right? Now you want to see that, you want to see that what we will do now, just what we will do now. If we run, right, we will not get anything. And even what is that? Our IOC container will not create the object, right? Our IOC container will not create the object. So if you want to make this class as what, to create the object of this class, so what annotation we will apply on the top of this class? Because this is what, developer develop class, means this is the explicit class. So if we write, right, what is that? See that I explained already, right? I explained what already. What is that? Explicit class. What is that? Programmer defined class. So if programmer is defining the class, which annotation? Component one. This is the stereotype annotation. What is that? At the rate component annotation we will apply on the top of what, this class. What is that? This class at the rate component annotation, right? Component annotation. Then our IOC container capability will increase to create the object of what, to create the object of what, this class. Okay, fine. But what we will do now inside this, what is that? I don't want to use what, setter and getter method to inject the variable. So I'm creating what, variable emp name, right? Emp name and string, right? Emp name is string. Okay, fine. So another one is what, private. What is that? Private, what is that? String desc, designation, right? So what we will do now, what we will do now guys? Okay, so I want to inject that, right? I want to inject, what is that? I want to inject this data, right? I want to inject the data inside that, what is that, these two properties. using these two attributes, using what is that, which one is already there in what property file, which one is already there in what property file, I want to read it. So for that, which annotation we will use, guys? At the rate value annotation, right? At the rate what? Value annotation, right? At the rate what? Value annotation. Inside that value annotation, what we will use to read the from the data from the property file, we will specify dollar symbol in the open curly bracket and close curly bracket, and we will give the this key, we will give this key, okay? And after then giving this key, the value will become what? This one, okay? So now after then another one is what, guys? At the rate value, right? At the rate value. Now fine, okay? At the rate value. Now fine, what is that? Dollar symbol what? And what is the key of another variable? This is okay. Copy this one and paste it. That's it, okay? So now let's what is that? Run this application and we will execute it, okay? But this is the not permanent, guys. Just what I'm going to give now, this is the just okay for the testing purpose our application. Later we will use what? Runner, okay? Runner, okay? Which one is useful? This is the just I'm giving what is that, this code to run the application, our run application, and we have need to see the output, okay? Because internally we know that how many type of container? Two type, old container and what? New container. New container is what? Spring context. And what is that? Old is a spring bean spring bean factory, right? A bean factory, right? That is the old container, okay? That is the old container. Who want much clarity about these things, guys? On my YouTube channel already too much discussion is there about old container and what is that new container, what is this spring context container and what. But internally what is that spring bean context, what is that spring boot also using what spring context container only, right? So you want to see that, just what I'm control click on the run button and open the declaration, right? So see that here, what is that now? See here, what is that configurable application context is there, right? Application context is there, right? So internally, what is that? Internally, our application link with what is that? What is that? Return runtime is what is that? Link with what is that? See that link with what? Application context only, right? Link with what? This is the internally super class is what? Super class is what? Application context only. So now what is that? Just we will use this one, okay? So what I'm going to do now, just I'm using what is the AC equal to new, right? So now control shift O, import it, okay? This is a not permanent, guys, okay? Just I am explaining what is that concept, okay? Just I'm explaining what concept. Because of that what I'm going to do now, just I'm using this is a not permanent and this is not useful for what real time. Just I'm showing, I want to show the output. Because of that I'm using this concept, okay? Don't much about this one, okay? Don't much about this one, okay? So now fine. So next one is what? Whenever we will get what is that? So AC. So if we want to run what is that? What is that? Get bean, right? So we will go to bean factory, right? Bean factory. So what I said that at the explanation time, what is that? So if we are not giving any argument in the component, what is the first letter will become, guys? Employee, right? Employee. So what is the class name? What is the class name? We are applying the top of what? Component, right? So but we are not giving any class name. So what it will become? What ID will become? Employee, right? First letter is what? Employee. First letter is what? Employee. Now if we want to avoid typecasting, we will load as a what? Employee class as what? Employee class as what? Dynamically, right? We will load that class as what? Dynamically. And this class will return what? This class will return what? Same class object, right? Employee. Now print it, guys. Now print it. We will get what is that? Hash code. Hash code of what? Hash code of what? Our object. Hash code of what? Our object, okay? So now I'm passing that. I'm just running this application, guys, okay? Now right click, run spring boot. Now previously standalone application we are running Java application. No, now we will run as what? Spring boot application. Now run it. See, guys, we are getting what? We are getting hash code or not? Has code or not. If you want to see the result, sorry guys, sorry. Okay, if you want to see the result, okay, just come inside that. What is that? Just override the two string, right? If you want to see the this data, right, means what? Ravi and R, just two string. Override the two string. Alt shift S plus S. Okay, just I'm overriding to see the result of what? Informatically format. I don't want what is that? Has code of what? Our object. So now run again. Now run again. See, employee, right? Employee Ravi, and what is that? Designation is our scheme or not, guys? Because of what is that? Value annotation. We are able to avoiding what? Setter and getter or not. We are able to avoid what? We are able to avoid what? Setter and getter or not. Come on, guys. Now I hope you people will get what clear picture, right? You people will get what clear picture. I hope, right? I hope. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, so next what we will do now? Next what we will do now? Let's okay na. I'm giving one example to you people. Okay, now I'm giving what one example to you people. Okay, so just what I will do now? What I will do now? I will write one class. Okay, I will write one class and I will give what? Okay, just I'm writing one class. Okay, one right. I'm writing what? One class. Okay, so this is the employee, right? This is what employee. Okay, yeah, here is okay na? Yeah, here. Okay, fine now. Okay, fine guys. So next what we will do now? So just what is that? So just what is that? Here what is that? I'm taking what is that? Public sorry, public class. Okay, public class. What is that? My connection. My connection. Okay, this is the class. Okay, this is the class. Okay, this is what my connection class is there, right? This is what my connection class is there. Okay, so on the top of I'm applying what is the @ component, component. Now in this what is that? In this what is the? In this what is the two what is the two private? What is the private string? What is the driver? Driver is there. One is the driver, another one is what? Private. What is that? Private string. Private string. What is that? URL is there. Two attribute I'm taking, right? So okay, and what is that? What is that? Okay, so here what is that? This is the property file. Okay, application dot what is that? Property, right? Inside that what is that? My dot, right? My dot what is that? My dot drv, just I'm writing. Okay, and here just I'm taking what is that? Oracle driver, and here what is that? Dot what is that? URL I'm taking, right? Here what is that? I'm taking what? Dot URL just I'm taking what is that? Oracle URL only. Oracle URL, right? Oh, this is the property. Okay, so after then what is that? What is that? What is that? Come here. Okay, so here we are getting the result, right? Here what we are doing now, guys? Here after running that, what is that? We are getting the result. Okay, so I want the result like this. Okay, I want the result like this. Okay, so I want the result like this. What is the result I want, guys? My connection inside that what is that? Driver equal to what is that? Oracle, right? Comma. Another one is what? Another one is what? Another one URL. URL equal to what? URL equal to what is that? Oracle URL, right? I want this result. Okay. So here I missed the iterate value annotation, guys. Please write that what is that? What we can write inside this class, and so based on the writing those, and we can get this result. I want the reply from you people. Okay, na? Please use the chat box and write it what code we will write, and then we can get this kind of result. Write it everyone, guys. Write it everyone. Involve everyone. Wrong also correct only. Involvation is more important than anything. Okay, wrong. We are just what is that learning, right? Wrong also no problem. But what is that? I want everyone reply. Okay, I want everyone reply. Everyone involve it. Okay, wrong also correct. Chalega. Okay, but what is that? Involve everyone. What code we will write to what? We want to see that no except two string. Leave the two string. I don't want two string. What is that? Which annotation we will apply? What we will write? Okay, na? Just I want to see that how many people is thinking correct. Give the reply. Okay, write it. Okay. Padma, correct. Ganesh, you are forgetting what? You are forgetting what? Dollar symbol and what? Curly bracket and a open bracket. Okay. You are forgetting curly bracket and what? Open bracket. Okay. No problem. Mistake also acceptable, but sitting ideal is not good. Okay. Sitting ideal is not good. We are learning, right? We can learn it. So no problem. Ideally correct. Ankit, correct. Amrani, correct. Padma, correct. Ganesh, not correct. Ajit Kumar, correct. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, correct. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay. So now let's move on and next level discussion, right? Let's move on what? Next level discussion. Okay. Let's move on and okay, guys. So now fine. So now fine. Okay. So just what I'm going to do now, guys. Just what next? What I'm going to do now, guys. Okay. Please mute yourself. Someone. Yes.
Sir, I have
Malyad.
one doubt.
Yes, Malyadri.
Sir, yesterday I faced one interview. They asked what is the difference between Spring 5X and Spring Boot.
Sorry.
Don't know what is the difference between Spring 5X and Spring Boot?
Spring Spring Boot, I'm listening, but what is the Spring 5.8? Something you are saying, right?
5X, sir.
Huh?
Spring 5 version.
Spring 5 version.
Yeah.
Spring. Okay. Spring here. What is that? Yesterday only I explained what is that in Spring, right? Spring. We have need to write more boilerplate code, and what is that? What is that common functionality like data server and all those things will be not there. We have need to whatever.
I explained like what is the advantages of Spring Boot. I
Mhm.
don't know about Spring 5X features, all those things. He is asking we will achieve the Spring 5X with the what we are doing in the Spring Boot. We will achieve, but we will write the more and more code
We
like
will we can achieve using what is that annotation, I right? Annotation, stereotype annotation and all those things is there, right? Configuration,
yes.
XML configuration is what